Now I'm also going to hand these out now, otherwise I might be in danger of forgetting them. These are going to come up later in the presentation. They are two-sided, right? So there's this side and this side, right? I need to spell that out to my learners sometimes. So I'll hand those out. These you can take with you as well. You might be able to take people in your departments that you want to share these with as well.
Taking out the strawberry cream.
And yeah, you will be able to hear. It may not make a lot of sense to scan it right now, but that's okay. You will notice one of the QR codes has got artwork in it, because you can now make artwork into QR codes, and that's an AI version of a classroom inside the QR code, which I think is kind of cool. So I did that one. Right, so today I'm wanting to talk to you about interactive artifacts, which I usually get people saying to me, what is that? And referencing perhaps, hello, come on in, the 2 sigma problem as well. Now I have got a bit of a caveat with this, because all of the stuff I'm going to talk to you about today, I've been working on through the doctorate that I'm doing at the moment. So it's not something that is part of the sphere of every day that you might think of, but it's things I've been working on through the doctorate and then thought to myself, actually, that I could apply it in this particular way that might be different from what the doctorate things are telling me, right? So what I've done is I've bent it, the information, to my economics learners in particular, and the first one that I want to talk about is the interactive artifacts. And what the assignment was to create, using AI, a tool that helped schools to communicate with parents with the idea of inclusivity, right? So parents who might be more comfortable with different languages and understanding information in different languages, then they might be able to interact better with communication. So I wrote a policy change, an imaginary policy change, and put it into an interactive artifact, and then the language was all different. It would change the language depending on what the person was wanting.